Cin7 handles multi-currency, which means if you purchase from Mexico, you can show that purchase order to your Mexican vendor in the Mexican peso. Or if you sell to Europe, you can show the price to a European customer in the euro. And the same thing applies if you purchase from China or Japan or Taiwan or Korea, etc. You've probably seen these multi-currencies listed under the product screen. That's where they're most evident. If we scroll over to the right on the list of products, you'll see these currencies, an extra row for each price from each country. Canadian dollar, euro, Chinese yuan, Japanese yen, and then your costs over here, Canadian dollar, euro, Chinese yuan, Mexican peso. These currencies are chosen and selected, changed and edited, added and hidden, all under the settings icon down here in the update price and cost tiers screen. So to manage your currencies, you actually go to your pricing tiers screen. At the top it shows the local currency. This subscription has US dollar. When it was first set up, that was selected and locked in. Cin7 begins with some other currencies by default. Australian currency, New Zealand currency, Canadian currency, to name a few. Notice this Australian dollar has a box that is unchecked. That just means that I've hidden this or I've turned it off. At the top, you'll see price. At the bottom, you'll see cost. So these are the currencies that are used by your suppliers on a purchase order. And at the top are currencies you provide to your customers on a sales order. Notice the button here that says Create New. Click on that and we can create a new currency. There's a long list of currencies to choose from. If you're not sure which abbreviation to select, a quick and easy Google search will solve that problem. Let's say Korean currency. Notice it says the code is KRW. So back here, I would select KRW for the Korean currency. And then we'd be sure to turn this on. We'll check this box so we can actually use that and see that as a drop-down on our supplier screen when we're assigning the supplier to that currency. Last of all, click Confirm Price and Costing Tiers. Cin7 gives us a summary. You'll see US dollar home currency there, price currencies here, and cost currencies down below. I'll click Confirm, and now we can use our new Korean currency. If we go to the CRM section, and I'll just randomly grab a supplier for this demonstration. Now I'm on the supplier screen. It looks the same as the customer screen. And the field you're looking for is the pricing tier. Click on that to find the new cost tier that we just created. Now it wasn't there, so I actually had to log out and log back in for it to take effect. So when creating a new currency, remember that. So here it is now, our Korean won. I'll click Save, and now when I click on New Purchase Order, we'll see over here on the right hand side when we scroll to the right and look at the costs, subtotal is in our Korean won by default. And also, since we added that new foreign currency, when we go to the product screen and look over to the right and scroll to the right, we'll see the Korean won now shows up as an option. Now, if you want to import your vendor's costs, you can do that. Reach out to your vendor and ask him for a list of their prices. And notice it says import and update products. You can use this feature to import your vendor's costs. I actually noticed in a previous video after creating a bill of material that I was missing some costs. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to import costs into Cin7. Comment below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one.